Hey YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm going to show you how to get more Atlas bucks, well, more out of your Atlas bucks. So instead of buying from the actual Atlas shop for 100 bucks, Atlas bucks for 5 balls, you can get 110 Atlas bucks for 5 balls. I know what you're saying. Well, how do you get to this link? Well, the link is in the description below. And I just wanted to show you that if you spend $40, you can get 990 Atlas bucks instead of just 900 bucks. So spending it on the website, you get more Atlas bucks worth your money. So you're getting maximum value instead of buying it from Google Play. So yeah, that's what's going on here. If you never knew about it, you're welcome. If you're balling, you can buy 10,000 worth of Atlas bucks for 290 thou wow. So that's up to you. I know you're rich. Listen, hey, I'm not telling you what to do. But if you're that rich, you could become a member and become a super techie if you wanted to. But it's like, no, I'm just joking. I'm just joking. No, but seriously. Yeah, so this is the easiest way to maximize your money in Atlas bucks. Spending $5 gets you 110 instead of just 100. This definitely helps you out. It gives you a little edge. It gives you a little edge. Imagine you've been buying it for 40 balls for 900, and you could have been getting, 10 more away from Atlas bucks, just, going to the actual earn and then going to the two ads, you'll eventually get to, uh, 1,000 Atlas bucks after that. So that's pretty dope. So if you never knew about it, well, now you know. So that's pretty dope, right? Yeah, well, let's get it. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.